Escape from love. I can't let you go, no.
Do this to me.
So, in Lauren's, how can I call this?
Infinite wisdom.
Infinite wisdom and I can't think of the words I'm trying to find. Housework.
What, attempting to be a housewife?
Yeah, attempting to be a housewife. She decided that the washing machine should probably have a bit of a clean because it was starting to smell a bit damp. So she decided to put a little cap of floor cleaner in.
Cap.
So we have, I don't know what's going on in there, and it's leaking out.
No, it's not.
What do you mean it's not leaking out? What's this? Oh, yeah. But on the upside, she's cooked dinner. I haven't looked at this yet, this better be good. Oh yeah, that's worked, that's alright. I'll just have to keep away from washing machines from now on, I think.